What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Elite Case from MagBack for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We'll also be taking a look at the MagBack Wallet, Saffiano leather in black. This is a dynamic duo combo of MagSafe case and wallet, and this just isn't your ordinary case. This case has a ton of features, which I think makes it one of the most versatile cases on the market for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a deeper dive at these accessories. So first off, let's talk customization. All right, the MagBack offers a color accent pack, which lets you mix and match colors for the buttons, finger loop, side grips, lens rings, and even the pinky pillow at the bottom. All right, so all of this is interchangeable with colors. You've got here around the rim of the camera, you've got the pillow at the bottom, and then you've got the customizable grips here on the side. Now, I was able to get a hold of just some of the different colors that they have right here. I've got red, so as you can see, just a quick look at some of the accessories. We've got red, all interchangeable, all right? And then we've got like this smoky gray that's interchangeable. And I don't want to drop all these buttons in here, but I'll kind of maybe zoom up a little bit for you. But we've also got the grip, which is interchangeable, and the buttons and the pinky pillow, both in the red and kind of this smoky gray here. And so I've decided to go with black because I have the Obsidian Google Pixel, but I do like the idea that you have the option to customize if you want to mix and match. I just think the black is super smooth with the Obsidian Google Pixel. And so I've left all of it in stock. This came as a black case, but if you want to mix and match, you've got the ability to do that with the Elite Case. Now, the next thing I want to talk about on here is some of the accessories and features. And one of my favorite things about this case is we get a finger loop. All right, that is dope that the finger loop is built into the case. As you can see there, it's built in. You can push it back in place, and then it's nice and sleek on your phone. But I like that as you're using the phone, you can also kind of use the finger loop as almost extra ergonomics and grip when you're holding the phone and using it. But again, if you then want your kind of pop socket finger loop action, it's built in, easy to use. You can adjust the length and size, how much bigger you want the finger loop to be based on the limiter, all right, that is inside of the case. But I think that is so dope that you've got that finger loop there. And then for all my multitasking folks out there, if you'd like to watch additional content, all right, we've got a built-in kickstand. So I'll kind of show you some different angles there. You've got the built-in kickstand, which will let you set your phone up vertically, as well as set your phone up horizontal for some viewing action. Now, a lot of times you got to buy some additional accessories, so magnet safe accessories that pop on the back that give you the ability to have a finger loop, that give you the ability to have a kickstand. But now with the Elite Case, you're going to get that built-in kickstand. It's got the little magnet here that allows the kickstand to kind of tuck in and stay in place when you're not using it. All right, so this is what I'm talking about when you're getting versatility. You're getting customization, you're getting finger loops, you're getting magnets, and we can't forget about the pinky pillow at the bottom. All right, so this actually acts as a cover for your USB-C port. All right, you can put this covering back in, and once it's in, see if I can get it in there. Once it's in, when you're then holding your phone like this at the bottom, a lot of times your pinky is just getting wrecked on other cases, or the design of your phone can kind of just wear your pinky out. But MagBack thought of a solution to that, and we've got the pinky pillow down there. This extra cushion while you're holding it makes it even more comfortable, adds to the ergonomics. You've got the pillow, and again, like I said, when you've got the finger loop here, this is really one of the most comfortable cases for the Google Pixel. So then we'll swipe over to the side and take a little look at the grips. All right, this adds to the ergonomics. The grips on the side, these are also interchangeable. I decided to stay with the stock black, but when you pair that with the pillow, the finger loop, the grips just make this very comfortable. You've got the confidence that you're not going to drop your phone, and the grips really just stay right where you're holding the phone. And so some cases have the grip all the way around, which I don't think is necessary. All right, I like that the grips kind of stop here, and it just is open thinking for those that have small hands, that have big hands. Just enough area of space for the grip where it's not uncomfortable. It kind of doesn't take away from the rest of how the case looks and feels. Now we'll talk about the magic of this case. All right, now I'll see if I can get this on the camera for you. We'll kind of shine it here, but here we have on each side of the case, we've got the telescopic magnets. All right, these aren't your average magnets. These are super strong, up to 3 times stronger than the standard magnets on cases. And the technology with this, they even extend out of the case, which allows you to put your phone on uneven surfaces, which again, just is adding to this, I think, being one of the better cases for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. There really isn't anything this case can't do for your phone. Now, the last thing we'll showcase is the MagBack wallet. I love this wallet. So when you're pairing the strength of the magnets of this wallet with the strength of the magnets on the Elite case, you are getting one of the strongest, really shake that there, get one of the strongest connections, all right, with MagSafe accessories. Now this wallet also has a finger loop as well, so you don't lose that ergonomic feel even when you've got your wallet on the back. You can go ahead and put your finger in there. You've got that like so. All right, and then you've got the ability in here, try not to show any of my personal information, but you've got the ability in here to put both cash and card. I've only got cards in here right now, but you've got the dual opening here at the top. One side you can put cards, the other side you can put cash, and then you've got this opening here where you can push up to get your cards or cash out of there. And so I decided to go with the black leather because I got the case in black, my phone is in black, and it just looks beautiful. I'm the type of person, I love sometimes just the simplest colors are the best colors. And this black on black with this leather is pretty sweet. So I highly suggest if you're going to get the Elite case, you're going to need the best accessory, best MagSafe accessory that you can find, which is the MagBack wallet. So there you have it, everybody, the Magbak Elite case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's stylish, it's functional, it's packed with a ton of features, and I really think it stands out from the rest of the crowd, the rest of the cases that are out there for the Google Pixel. All right, if you're looking for a case that offers protection, customization, convenience, this is definitely a case that you want to check out. All right, so I'll leave links to the Magbak Elite case and color accent packs in the description below. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more tech and gaming related content, and let me know in the comments section what you think about this case. All right, I even have a special little promo code for you. Sean F15 will get you 15% off of your purchase of this case and wallet. So let me know in the comment section below how we're feeling. Appreciate you guys sticking to the end of this video. Like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.